Hello friends, in this problem we have to calculate the value of this expression. So you have 2022 whole square plus 1978 whole square. You can use calculator to calculate this value, but in this video we are discussing how can you solve this problem without using the calculator. Now if you see these two numbers, if you sum these two numbers, you have a very good number. For example, you see here 2022 plus 1978. So this is 4000. So if you add these two numbers, this turns out to be 4000. So this relationship I am going to use to solve this problem. Let us say we are defining some terms. So let A is equals to 2022 and B is equals to 1978. And we know that A plus B, this is equals to 4000. And we have to calculate the value of A square plus B square. So this is my question. Now how will you solve? You see, A square plus B square term can come if you square this equation. That is A plus B is equals to 4000. If you remember the formula for A plus B whole square, so this is A plus B whole square. This is equals to A square plus B square plus 2AB. So let us use this formula to solve this problem. So we will square both sides of this expression, that is A plus B is equals to 4000, that is given. Now let us square left hand side and also square right hand side. So on the left hand side it will be A square plus B square plus 2AB, and on the right hand side you can basically write this is 4 into 10 to the power 3 whole square. So this will be, now you can write this is A square plus B square plus 2AB is equals to, so this will be 4. So I can write using the rules of exponent, that is if you have A times B raised to the power m, this is basically A to the power m times B to the power m. So this becomes 4 square times 10 raised to the power 3 whole square. So this will be A square plus B square plus 2AB, and this is equals to 16 times, this is 10 power 3 and whole power 2. Basically this will become 10 raised to the power 6. So we have to calculate the value of this term, that is A square plus B square. So I can take the other terms to the right hand side. So it becomes 16 into 10 raised to the power 6 minus 2 times A times B. But what is A and what is B? This is A and this is B. So let us plug this number. So this will be 2022 and 1978. Now what should I do next? You see, still I have to multiply these two big numbers. But you're not required to multiply, because you see this 2022 can be written as 2000 plus 22. And 1972 can be written as 2000 minus 22. So with this I can write A square plus B square. This is equals to 16 into 10 to the power 6 minus, this is 2000 plus 22 and multiplied by this is 2000 minus 22. So now see, this is a formula a plus b into a minus b, or x plus y into x minus y. If you consider this as x and this is y, so this is x plus y and this is x minus y. So this will be x square minus y square. So if you remember this formula, that is x plus y times x minus y, this is nothing but x square minus y square. So let us use this formula. Then a square plus b square is equals to 16 into 10 to the power 6 minus 2 and a square minus b square. So this will be 2000 square minus b square, that is 22 square. So this will be 16 into 10 to the power 6 minus 2 times, and this will be 4 times 10 to the power 6. And a square of 22, you should generally remember, it is always a good idea to remember the square of at least 1 to 30 digits or numbers. So this will be 484. So this becomes 16 into 10 to the power 6 minus 18 to 10 to the power 6 minus 2 into 484. So finally I can write this is 16 minus 8, that is 8. So you will have 18 to 10 to the power 6 minus this will be 9, 6, 8. Basically this minus and this minus will become plus here. So there is a mistake. So this is not minus, this is plus. So this is also plus. So finally, what is the answer for this problem? So we have a square plus b square, and this is 8, and then you will have 6 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 plus 9 6 8. So 3 digits you replace here. So this will be 8 0 0 and then again 9 6 8. So this is the value for this expression. So you can apply these kinds of rule to calculate calculations in their daily life, because whenever you have a big calculation, you can approximate or you can use these kinds of idea to solve these problems. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you enjoy, please share with your friends, like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.